Yeah, great one.
That was terrible.
Come on, dude, you got this.
Dive on it like I did. Dive on it.
No.
Yes, that's what I did.
My ass is so cold.
Hands are so cold I can barely hold the phone.
I think we wasted $8, dude.
Wait, shit, you guys didn't even spend any money.
Yeah, we did.
Dive on it. Here, use this.
Here, push me in that son.
Here, hold this.
Put him right
Hey,
here.
let me have the glove.
Put him right
back
here.
there.
Put him
Let me
right
have the
here.
glove.
Why right there? We already got it.
No.
Dude, hey, look at it. It's all piled up.
Yeah, that's shit now.
Just get it right here, man. Right on this shit.
Well,
You
it's
sitting
right-
that?
Alright, you recording this?
Yeah.
Go.
We'll try. Let's go. We'll try it again. That was good. Fuck. Fuck it. Fuck Put it back up here and try it one more time. Come on. One more time. Let me see it. Sit right there. Oh, one more time. Frostbite. That's what I said, man.
One more time. Alright. Now sit down. Sit down.
No, stand up. Do it stand up.
What? Leave the box. Fuck the box. I'm fucking cold. Fuck this shit, dude.
She's gonna leave the box.
Leave the
Grab
box.
the lid. Grab the lid, though.
Why?
We might need that lid.
Wait, Bradley, go get the box. We'll use it later. We'll use it tomorrow. Go get it.
He ain't even breathing right now.
Fuck. Keep recording. I can't feel my hat.
Come on, Bradley. You got it.
I can't walk. God damn it. Son of a bitch. Look at that Chevy stuff over there, dude. Damn it.
This is a bad idea.
I can't breathe. I'm fucking
Same reason why I just went down that big ass motherfucker hill earlier.
God damn it. I feel like that's my hand. Motherfucker. Yeah, y'all have grown.
Here, that's your phone? It's still recording. I don't know how to stop it.
Push it.
Bradley, start the truck. Fucking shit's going in the back.
Yeah. Leave it back there.
Dude, my truck completely covered in snow and shit.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Can't feel my legs.
I'm so out of breath right now.
Please, we're not stuck, Bradley. Just get us out of here. Here, Bradley, take the book.
I'm gonna do.
Oh my god. My hands are so steamy.
I am soaking wet in fucking snow.
Maybe sledding was a good idea. It's a bad idea.
It did not work.
We should have brought James just so he could realize how shitty this was.
So I got my wallet. I'm good.
I don't know what was in my pockets. I don't
I
remember.
can't even let my leg out.
That was the least fun I've ever had in my entire life. Fuck everything, man.
Got it.